Hi guys, this is Deepak on AD Tech. This is going to be my first video on this YouTube channel. To start with, I'd like to share with you why I make these videos. My friends have faced a lot of problems with their phones who come to me for help, and most of the problems are quite repetitive with each person, and I'd like to share a tutorials video for everyone out there who faces the same problems as they do. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to fix your network to 4G. As most of us know, recently released Jio 4G is a network system which relies only on 4G network, and therefore there are no 3G or 2G networks. So even with the bare minimum of signal, it always stays in the 4G spectrum. But with other carriers such as Airtel, Vodafone, you cannot stay in the 4G spectrum always. If the signal drops below a certain percentage in the 4G spectrum, it switches down to 3G or 2G. And we all have experienced how horrible 3G network speeds are. To start with, I'd like to inform all of you that this trick does not work on all phones, and some of the phone manufacturers have disabled them by default. But as far as I've seen, it works on most OSs which are near stock Android OS, such as seen in the Pixel devices. To start with, we have to open the dialer. In this, we have to type a code which leads us to a inbuilt application within the OS which is used to test the network settings. It is as follows: *#**** 4636 #*#**. When you type the last star, you don't need to press the call and it opens the testing screen. In this, you need to click phone information, and within it you are given quite a lot of details about how your network works, the IMEI number, phone numbers, etc. In this, you have to scroll down and set preferred network type. In this, you have to select LTE only. When you click that, the network stays on LTE no matter what happens, and you can just leave it there. No need to press anything else, and your phone will be switched to 4G. This stays as long as there is no interruption in the network connection. That is, you should not switch off or on your device or not put it on aeroplane mode or sorts. If you want to reset it, you don't need to go back. You can go back and change it, but it's not necessary. You can just switch on and off airplane, or you can just switch on and off your phone, which resets this setting. It's quite a simple trick, as you saw, and it's quite useful when you are in a place where there is a little bare amount of 4G signal, and 4G is better than 3G. Please do note that if your phone is not VoLTE supported, that is voice over LTE supported, in 4G network you won't receive calls or messages in such phones. It's better to stay in 3G then, if you are cared about missing any calls or messages. If network is that is data is your first priority, you can use this trick to get higher speeds when you're switching over to 3G networks. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.